guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this product here, which I will show you a close-up of. It is the Simple brand Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Hydrating Sheet Mask with minerals and plant extracts. So these you can purchase from like Woolworths or Coles and Priceline in Australia, and these retail for around $4 to $5. There's actually a whole range of these and they target different concerns you might have. So with this one, obviously it's a hydrating one, so let me just read you about this. It says it's the perfect antidote to fight the 5 early signs of dehydrated skin: dryness, dullness, dry dehydration lines, tightness, and roughness. It's inspired by Asian beauty rituals. Our new Water Boost Hydrating Sheet Mask is made out of super soft natural fibers that contour to the face like a second skin. Now, how you use this, you just remove the mask from the sachet and gently unfold. Place the mask evenly on your skin and leave for 15 minutes and peel off the mask. Massage to absorb the excess of the product into your skin or use a cotton pad to remove. No need to rinse once you've done this. So my experience with this, so let me insert a photo of me wearing the mask so you can see that I have actually used it. I found when I pulled the mask out of the packaging, it was actually quite hard to unfold. I felt like it was super, I want to say brittle in a way. It's super, what's the word? I can't think. Super, you just had to be really careful because I did rip a bit because just when it was folded up, it was hard to see where to unravel it from. It was super liquidy also, which for these, I actually don't mind. I love, if I want to hydrate my skin, I love that I can do that with this. And having a lot of excess product, I always bring it down my neck and onto my chest, which is always a good idea. Get as much product out of the actual packaging as well. Don't just get the mask out and discard what's left inside. Now, when it was on my skin, I did feel like it stayed. I was able to sit up and walk around with it on and it didn't slip off. So yes, they are very correct when they say it's like a second skin. There's nothing worse when you have to literally just lay there and you can't move and your mask is just slipping off. I personally don't use a lot of sheet masks. I like mask that I put onto my skin, but yeah, this was a quite enjoyable experience. I liked it. I like the scent, I like the feel. The only thing I didn't really like is at the time I had super dry skin around my nose. It does happen. I think it's like a change of seasons type thing, and I get really irritated, sore, dry skin just on the sides of my nose. I felt like this product didn't really hydrate that area at all. So I feel like if you have super dry skin, it's probably not the best product for you to try and get hydration back in there. I think it would be great if you have maybe normal skin that you just want to add a bit of hydration to it, if that makes sense. But if you are trying to hydrate dry skin, I just don't think it's gonna work from what I experienced. But please leave a comment down below if you have tried these and if you have dry skin and how your experience was with it. I would love to know. I do actually have quite a few different versions of this, so I will be doing separate reviews as well. So if you would like to see those, definitely hit that subscribe button. And that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.